Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cancel Instagram Meta verified subscription. Let's get started. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner, then tap Account Center at the top. Now, scroll down to Account Settings and tap Meta Verified. It may take a few seconds to load. Here you'll see your subscriptions benefits. To cancel, tap na Manage Subscription, then scroll down and select Unsubscribe. Instagram may show you offer to keep your plan, but if you want to cancel, just tap No Thanks. Then you'll then be redirected to your phone's App Store or Google Play Store. Then tap your subscription, choose cancel subscription and confirm, and that's it. They've successfully cancel Instagram Meta verified subscription. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.